In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export data from ClickUp to Excel. So let's get started. So here we are in ClickUp, and from here, you simply need to navigate to the space where you would want to get the data exported. So for example, here in Agency Management, and then I'm gonna go into a specific view in here. So if you go for mind maps like this views, you can right click and then you wouldn't see the export button. But if you go for a list view, you can right click and then you'd now have the export view, which is all your data here in the space. You could export it, and then from here you can select the Excel format, which is right here. Now you could go for what to export. You can go for all columns, task names only, visible columns, or whatsoever. In my case, I'll go for all columns and then current only, and you can click here and download. And after that, it will now be exported. As you can see right here on the bottom left, it says exporting. Now I can click here on download, and then just like that, I have now exported my ClickUp data into Excel just like that. This is the list view. And when you compare that, I'm here in the list view and it's exactly like it with the colors. And you can do the same thing for your other data in here in ClickUp. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.